Hello again, welcome back to Truesdale TV for another episode of Urban Stealth Camping. Today we are in a retail park and we're just going to nip in and get something to drink from one of the shops here, so I may put you on portrait mode while I'm in there. If there's any music playing, I won't. So I either see you in the shop or in the back. Hello again. So I didn't bring you into the shop. There's music playing and the whole copyright thing, but I didn't get nothing exciting. I just got two of these. They were two for £1, 500ml cans of Iron Brew, and I love my Iron Brew, and just some Snickers for dessert for after dinner. And for dinner tonight we are going to have an omelette. I'm going to have an omelette and I'm going to have some avocado. I forgot to bring any sort of bread, so I did. And I didn't see any in there, so it's just going to be omelette, an avocado, some peppers, onions, and we're going to try and flip the Ridgemonkey upside down this time. We're supposed to try and turn it, see how this works, see if we can get it working how it was intended. I'll put you on the head mount because I thought it was better last time, and I'll move a bit slower this time if I can remember to. What's the chances of that staying there, not moving? Let's get set up, guys. The world is just going by, cars up and down, and we're just stealthing away. Get my old buddy the Ridgemonkey out. So this will be the first omelette, the first time any sort of egg meal has been cooked in it. Oh, I was actually wanting to try the chest mount this time, to see if that was any stabler for you whilst cooking. Wonder should be changed to that. Yeah, let's change to that. This will be just trial and error. This is the first time using the chest mount with the, what do you call it, the well inside the van. Don't know if it's any better or not, but we'll try it this video, and if it's not as good, let me know in the comments if the head mount was better than the chest mount. While I'm moving, I'll try and go as slow as I can and whatnot, but usually let me know in the comments what was better, the head mount or this chest mount, for like stabilization, of for the video. Okay, let's get started slow. Put our avocado to the side. We'll get a wee bowl out. Where's my bowl now? I think we'll try a 2-egg omelette. I think maybe 3 would be a bit much for this Ridgemonkey. We'll try 2 for a start to see how that goes. And oh, I forgot to bring milk. Okay, so there's going to be no milk in this omelette. I usually put a bit of milk into it and mix it up. I don't know if that's the correct way to make omelette, but that's the way I was always showing to make an omelette, a wee bit of milk in with the egg. So we're going to have to do without the milk today. So I have Happy Gilmore downloaded to watch, and Smell and Porridge. Happy Gilmore is just on pause here at the minute, but I love Happy Gilmore. I think it's one of the best films. If you like it, let me know in the comments below. But you know, I think it's hilarious, and I probably watched it about 1,000 times. Okay, eggs prepped. Chop up this onion. Oh yeah, the missus was telling me I need to fry the onions and peppers first. I usually just throw them in, but maybe that's a bit much. Oh, it's cut now, so what's going in? And we, yes, I need some butter, so no comments saying this time it's not healthy, because I don't care. We're just eating for taste today. There's something just so therapeutic about this. Just sitting cooking in here and just watching the world go by. I don't think there'll be any bother here tonight. I don't think we'll get bothered, because you know, although these shops here do close, they're not 24 hour or anything. Oh, look at the bubbles of the butter. Lovely. Right, the missus also instructed me I had to turn the heat down more this time, so we'll do that to keep her happy. Yeah, what was I saying there? Let's see if we can get all these in before it. Yeah, though, yes, they're not 24 hour, these shops, so they will, but I'm sure they have like people stacking shelves at night, so there should be workers here. So the workers here, obviously the cars here, which means we don't stand out too much. We could just be like an employee's car. Right. So what was I going to do next? Just some peppers in. You know what, I'll maybe just put that window blind up because there's light there. Just put this one up. And this is all, every time I do this I knock stuff flying. There we go. Then we'll just open this window. Okay. Although I noticed here with this chest meat, you just aren't seeing as much trees like what I'm cooking, or maybe I'm wrong. But we'll try it this week. If you don't like it, we'll go back to the head mount next week. So leave in the comments below and tell me what is better. Somebody's just walking past there and I'm speaking loud there, and I've got the window open. Don't give it a look. Some woman. So right. Turn the handle round this way today. Get these a good fry up, so maybe we'll reduce in size a bit and make some room for our eggs and our cheese. And I also forgot to bring a bigger plastic plate. I'm going to have to leave a bigger plastic plate in here because the paper plates are okay, but I'm going to be eating avocado and it's certainly, I'll probably end up soaking through it. I'll not sort of avocado out just yet. Smells good. God, it's miserable here. Like the sky is just pure black. The windows are steaming up, so you can't even see out. But it's just a miserable day. I wish it would. Wish someone would hurry up and get here, because at least it'd be better. Is that thunder? Or that there's somebody banging bins, like the thunder there. Yeah, if someone would hurry up and get here, the lighting would be better for my videos. You'd be able to see a bit more. Because I don't want to put this bloody light on in here, because the minute I do that, I have to close all the reflectors up, and then I can't see what's going on. Am I getting this right way, guys? You tell me in the comments. Is this how you do it? Do you meant to do your veg first? Or do you just meant to lash it on in? You know what, I'm going to turn the heat up a bit and give them a real good nuke. To speed the process up a wee bit. Just need to keep watching where I'm speaking, because there's a walkway. Just comes down there. Yeah, and we'll go right along in front of my car here. But I tell you what, it smells good. What I'm talking about. I'm impatient. I'm going to fire these eggs in now. Turn heat back down. Down as low as I can get it, so it doesn't turn off when it just turned off. Let's see how low I can get it. Right there seems to be as low as I'm going to get that. Okay, the veg is starting to brown. Oh, sounds good, boys and girls, sounds good. Put that there for cleaning. Has anybody else cooked an omelette in the Ridgemonkey? Let me know how yours turned out. And what did you put in it? I'm just putting some cheese on top. Let that. We'll put the lid down. I don't know where to attempt to turn or not yet. It's completely raw on top still, so let's see what it's like below. Yeah, it's starting to cook below. Give it another minute or two, and then I'm just going to flip it quick, and hopefully it doesn't make too much on this. Okay, we're going for the turn. Do this quick. Oh. Let's see. Oh yes, that looks good there, boys and girls. That looks good there. That looks good. Just let it cook along, cook slow on the other side now. While that's cooking, I'll just do a bit of a quick square up. Yeah, you know what? Wonder could I get everyone on my burnt my burnt plate. Oh yeah, baby. I would say that looks cooked to me there. Well, you know the way I like to do, guys. I like to cremate everything. So we're going to up the heat slightly while I prep my old avo here. Oh, it seems a bit hard, that avocado. Let's hope for it. It's not. I just squeeze them like that. Just squeeze it out. Let's see my this side. Just squeeze it out. Look at that. Green snot. But tastes good. Just left out the wee seed boil. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This Ridgemonkey is just the dogs. Like, that has cooked that to perfection. Let's just get a bit of preparation here now for to eat it with. I had a fork there. The fork's there. So, just a knife. Turn the gas off. I keep touching that. Just watch, guys. That could roast you very handy. That part there where the handle connects to the thing. It looks the same. It's grey, but one part's metal. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yes, just fits that little plate. Beautiful. So the 3 egg almost perfect there. Maybe next time I might try and push the 3 egg, but the 2 egg just cooked perfect there. So you have your 2 egg omelette with some sort of side, a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt. That's how we roll down here. Now, let's taste. Bit of avo. That is delicious. 10 out of 10. I would say a round of applause for the chef. Okay guys, I'm going to eat this. And hold on, what's this here? Bit of Cajun season. Oh no, it's not broke, so don't fix it. Yeah, just get this in me and watch a wee bit of old Happy here. Update you soon. Alright guys, it's chill out time now for me. Belly full of food. Finished my arm brew. Watch some movies and I'll see you this evening. Alright guys, so we're going to call it a night. And all being well, we'll see you in the morning. Had a good day. Made a nice meal. Watched Happy Gilmore, watched a few episodes of Alan Partridge. I've read my book, and it's time to get the head down now. And so, good night. Good morning. For the third time. I've had to do this 3 times. First time, this mic, you can see that, was doing the static sound, you know, like the whole way through. You probably heard it in the McDonald's video. Oh shit, my blind's falling down. Oh, that did give away. That big light shining there. That would did give away. Yeah, so I'm going to have to scrap this thing. No good. So I had to do that again, and then the second time I took the video, I was zoomed too far in, so it was just my mouth you were looking the whole time. So we're up already. I'll tell you what, it was a lot warmer last night. Temperature's definitely rising, which is good. And, oh yeah, what do you think of my seat covering? Can you see that? Let me get some light on it. I'll show you better in daylight, but I covered the seats at long last. I'll show you better whenever we go for, maybe I can go for a walk. We're going to go out and go for a walk this morning, so frig it. We're just going to go up and get a coffee made and get out of here and go for a dander up around the retail park and give you a show. Give you a look around. I know you're not supposed to do that. Stealth camping and be up and away, but we're breaking the rules today. Okay guys, I opted for chest mount and GoPro, so hopefully it'll make the wrong decision. You see how it's starting to get, there's daylight now. So the GoPro sticks out like a sore thumb. Oh, it's maybe a bad idea. Let's go for a bit of a walk. Wonder can we get up this way? We'll go up this way, it doesn't seem to be as busy up here. Just lock the car first. But look around this retail park that we stayed at. Just do you see any Americans that are watching, you know, this is like the best, the closest thing we've got to like a Walmart type thing. This is what they call the range. There used to be a big B&Q here, which is the hardware store, which I thought was handier, better. But like, I've never actually been in, obviously I hadn't been to Walmart, but in videos I see it's sort of like a bit, just a bit of everything. Sells a bit of all sorts of stuff in it. Well, this is like a scaled down version. Well, it doesn't have like, it has fish and stuff, and but it doesn't have like all, I believe you should have like shooting gear and all that there too, hunting gear and stuff. Alright guys, that's us, we're heading home. We had another successful stealth. Thanks for joining me. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. But yeah, when it comes to stealths, you know we do it the way we want to do it. We don't follow the rules of getting there late and leaving first thing in the morning, and don't do this and don't do that. get to the campsite or the camp spot early. We cook our food in the van if we choose. We go for a walk if we choose, and we leave when we feel like leaving the next day. And don't get me wrong, I know eventually we're going to get the knock on the door and told to move on, but so what? Till that happens, we'll just keep on stealth. So I'll see you next week, guys. So we'll probably be on our stealth next week, unless you can think of something else. But till then, peace out.